What if everything around you, your room, your friends, even your own body, was nothing more than data? What if your life wasn't real in the way you think it is, but part of an incredibly advanced simulation? It sounds like science fiction, but some of the greatest minds of our time, from philosophers to physicists, are beginning to seriously ask, are we living in a simulation? In this video, we'll explore 5 shocking clues that suggest we might be inside a cosmic illusion. From quantum weirdness to digital boundaries in the universe, we're diving into the most mind-bending theories about our reality. Let's get plugged in. Clue 1. The universe is built like a program. Take a look around. Everything, from the falling of an apple to the movement of galaxies, follows rules. Not random chaos, but formulas, constants, and patterns. Gravity has a formula. Light speed has a limit. Even DNA, the code of life, is structured like a language. Many scientists believe this points to a mathematical universe, as if we're running on an elegant set of instructions, like lines of code in a giant computer. Max Tegmark, MIT physicist, argues that our universe isn't just described by math, it is math. In a simulation, the world doesn't need to be real. It only needs to look real to the user. So, are we users in a very advanced simulation? Clue 2. Quantum strangeness. Reality needs a witness. In the quantum world, particles behave like ghosts. Until we observe them, they don't have a defined position. They exist in a fuzzy blur of possibilities. This is the observer effect, one of the most mysterious findings in science. Think about it. In video games, the system only loads what the player can see to save processing power. Could our universe be doing the same? Famous experiments like the double-slit experiment show that particles decide how to behave only when they're watched. It's as if the universe is only rendering reality when we look at it. So the question is, if there's no observer, is there a reality? Or is it just code waiting to be triggered? Clue 3. The Mandela Effect and glitchy memories. You've heard it before. People swear that something used to be one way, only to find out it never was. Did Darth Vader say, "Luke, I am your father"? Nope. He said, "No, I am your father." Did Monopoly Man wear a monocle? He never did. This phenomenon is called the Mandela Effect, named after people's false memory that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, when he actually died in 2013. 1 or 2 false memories? Okay. Millions of people misremembering the same details? Now that's strange. Some theorists believe this could be evidence of simulation reboots, timeline edits, or data corruption. Like reloading a save file from the wrong point. Are we just remembering earlier versions of the program? Clue 4. Pixels of reality, Planck units and limits. Here's something wild. There is a smallest possible unit of space and time. The Planck length is the tiniest measurement of distance. Nothing can be smaller. The Planck time is the smallest meaningful unit of time. This is like saying our universe has pixels, both in space and in time. Now think about a video game. The screen is made of pixels. The game updates frame by frame. Sound familiar? If our universe has resolution limits and refresh rates, could it be because it's running on a computational system? Even more curious, there's a maximum speed, the speed of light. Why? What if it's just a speed cap for processing data? Clue 5. The simulation argument. We're probably not real philosopher. Nick Bostrom proposed a now famous thought experiment called the simulation hypothesis. Here's the logic. In the future, civilizations will become advanced enough to simulate entire universes. If that's true, they won't make just one, they'll make billions. Therefore, statistically, it's more likely that you are in one of the simulations, not in the original real universe. Even Elon Musk supports this view, saying, "There's a 1 in billions chance that we are living in base reality." And if simulations can simulate other simulations, we might be in a simulation inside a simulation inside a simulation, an infinite loop of fake realities. So, what even is real? So, are we living in a simulation? The truth is, we don't know, but the clues keep stacking up. From quantum weirdness to digital boundaries, from flawed memories to eerie synchronicities, something about reality just doesn't add up. Whether it's a divine creator, a future AI, or something we can't even comprehend. One thing is certain: reality isn't as solid as we thought. What do you think? Is life real, or just really well rendered? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if your brain just melted a little, go ahead and like this video, hit subscribe, and stay curious. Because reality, simulated or not, is full of mysteries. See you in the next video, or the next layer of the simulation.